Welcome back. Did you notice anything about your gummy bear solutions while they were sitting overnight? Maybe you noticed that some of them disappeared and others kind of look cool. Let's take a look at this one. So this was our salt solution. And you can move it around a little bit and you can see the salt move with it. It's pretty cool there. This one was our water solution, and it almost looks like it's becoming translucent, which means that it's kind of clear. And this is our vinegar solution. Do you see a gummy bear in there? Can you find one?
No.
No. Why do you think that would happen? Take a moment and think about maybe properties of the vinegar. Vinegar is an acid. And when you put a sugar and an acid, it breaks down and it dissolved in our vinegar. So let's take a closer look. I have a fresh gummy bear that hasn't been in any of these solutions. And it's the same color, it's the same red. And I'm going to put that down right here. Now Merlin's going to hand me some tongs. And we're going to pull these gummy bears out and put them on the paper towels and see what happened.
Oh, it's kind of hard.
Oh, this one's falling apart.
It's Jenny.
Whoa.
That one's too hard because it's Jenny.
There's little pieces of it.
It's Jenny.
Maybe I can get a fork instead.
Yeah, it's it.
There we go. That looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can pull this one out. I'm going to try it with a fork instead. Whoa. It's pretty liquidy too. But it got really big, huh? Look how big this is.
I knew it. There's a Jenny room. You killed the Jenny.
Huge, right?
Yeah.
Look at that size in comparison. That was one gummy bear in there, and it turned into the size of 3 gummy bears.
Yeah.
This one's still pretty big, right? It's still got a little bigger. But the most interesting part was definitely the salt in there. And then this one, there's nothing in the solution. I can't pick anything out. It's all gone. So that was a pretty fun experiment. And now, this is what I'm really excited about. So we let these sit for a little longer than 24 hours. And that's okay. It doesn't have to be exactly 24 hours. It's not like everything is timed perfectly. This is our egg that's been sitting in vinegar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this egg and I'm going to put it into this bowl of water. And I'm just going to kind of wash this off. It feels kind of weird. Do you want to feel it, Merlin?
No.
Okay. Well, if you want to feel it, it feels pretty fun. And since we put that food coloring in there, it turned everything blue. But you can see there's no shell on there. It's really soft and kind of squishy. And I'm going to dry this off. Now, if you're brave, you can try bouncing it. Now be careful. If you bounce it from too high, it'll still break. And then you get egg everywhere. So don't egg your brother or sister by throwing bouncy balls at them. That's probably not going to be fun for your parents.
We turned it into a bouncy ball.
You want to try, Merlin?
No.
No. You don't want to egg the table?
I don't want to egg the table.
That's fair. It's kind of fun though. It really does feel like a bouncy ball. Okay, so there's one last thing that we need to do in order to complete our project, and that is to write our results in our lab notebook. So I have what we had here before. We had these 3 solutions for gummy bears, and we also have the egg and vinegar. So one of the cool things, if you noticed about the egg, is that the egg initially went down to the bottom. And then after it sat for a while, the egg was on top. and it floated in there. So clearly there's some density changes here. The other thing is that it went from being this shell to being without anything. And you could just see the yolk inside of it. So that was cool. Now, for these ones, the salt water with the gummy bear made it kind of really weird shaped. Whoa! And it had all these little salt particles attached to it. And that was pretty cool. I liked looking at that. And the water gummy bear got really big. Whoa. Whoa. I'm bad at drawing, but whoa, really big. And the vinegar gummy bear ended up being just vinegar with no gummy bear. Nope. So that was our results. Hope you guys had fun.